Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kerala special Kadala curry. So for that I have taken 1 cup of boiled brown chana, and then we need half cup of coconut, grated coconut, and then 1 spoon of coriander seeds, turmeric powder, 2 dry red chilies, curry leaves, salt to taste, mustard seeds and cilantro, and I also have 1 chopped onion and half teaspoon of garam masala, and I'll be using coconut oil for seasoning. The main secret of this curry is the masala paste which we are going to make with the coconut and the coriander seeds. So for that, first we need to fry this coriander seeds along with the red chili and coconut, and then we are going to grind it. So first I'm going to add the coconut oil, then I'm going to add the coriander seeds and 1 red chili. I'm going to fry this. If you don't have the whole coriander seeds, you can use the coriander powder too. And if you want more spicy, then you can add more red chili or red chili powder. Doing this way, it gives a very nice aroma to your curry. It's a very tasty and healthy and very yummy curry of Kerala, which we can enjoy not just with puttu or appam, or you can also enjoy this with idli or dosa or even with roti. Now I'm going to add the grated coconut. Now I'm going to add 2 curry leaves. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this coconut in the mixer to a fine paste. My coconut paste is ready. Now let's start cooking. So in the same kadai, I'm going to add some coconut oil, mustard seeds, one red chili, curry leaves, turmeric powder, next I'm going to add the chopped onions, until it changes the color. My onion is almost fried. At this stage I'm going to add the garam masala. Next I'm going to add the boiled chana. Next I'm going to add the coconut paste or the masala. I'm adding half cup of water to adjust the consistency. As you can see, this is neither too thick nor too thin. This is the right consistency. Next I'm going to add salt to taste. And let's wait for it to boil. I'm already getting the very nice aroma of the coriander seeds and the coconut curry leaves. So what you're seeing is the authentic and traditional way of making the Kadala curry. It's the masala that we make with the coconut and coriander seed that makes the difference. That gives a very unique aroma for this Kadala curry. Now my Kadala curry has started boiling. At this stage I'm going to turn it off. Next I'm going to garnish with coriander leaves. Added coriander leaves, and now my Kadala curry is ready. So please try this traditional authentic way of making Kadala curry at home and share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care.